Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing usacomfycloths.com. So as you can see right here, we have it here on their website. So they claim that to have 1,000 plus high quality clothes for you to choose. So as you can see, they have a lot of samples right here, which is for the price, which is not that bad. And as you can see, if you're wondering if this website or this company is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see they are rated 1.8, which is 4 out of 5 stars for 29 reviews. So right here, not in USA. I don't believe they're shipping. 30 minutes after placing my order, I realized I ordered the wrong size. I sent 3 emails within an hour asking to change the size or cancel the order. 24 hours later, I received the shipping confirmation bogus and another email stating that the order can't be changed or canceled. Took almost a month and a half to get. They blame President Trump. Heck, why not? They lied. The shirts came from Italy, got stuck in customs. Then, to make matters worse, I ordered a 3X. I normally wear 2X. These shirts did not even come close to a large. So basically, their sizes are not accurate from this person's claim. And then the product is a local post office. Very disappointed. Not as advertised. Not American made and not American. Top was supposed to be cotton. Never received it. Product review. Ordered an XSL linen for $37. I placed order May 6th and for Memorial Day. It is now May 18th and I still have no word from them. So please do not order from this site. Many people are saying that it is a scam. They didn't receive any product, or when they received the product, they received the wrong order, or it didn't even come close to the size that they were ordering in the first place. So please do not order from this website. There are a lot of different clothing manufacturers out there that are legit. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.